Okay, now we get to wire the switch. Right here, guys, the switch have only 2 gold screw to put in your wire. So because that's where when you turn, if this one is off position, so this one is not active right here. So what you get to do is, because you got 2 white wire and 2 black wire here, so all you need to do, remember that the gold color screws on your outlet or switch is that mean that is for the hot wire. So what you got to do is, I twist this white wire together. See right there, I twist it together. Then I have this cap right here, a twist cap right here. So after I twist that, now I get to put this one here in and twist till it's tight. You can feel it tight, guys, because it feel like you cannot twist it anymore. So this white cap right there. Now I can twist it anymore, so that's secure. So you just do that, put the one in the back right there. Now remember the green right here, that's for your ground wire. Now you get to put your ground wire. So we get to do the ground wire first. So same way in the outlet, we got to put the ground wire first. So now I get to hook that to the ground wire. Hook that one to the ground wire right here. Sure it's in there good. Let's see. Right there. See. It's up there, not anything. Make sure it's tight in there. See, when you see that it sit properly, see, right there, you can see it, sure that is in the right place, because it's just latched in there good. So now I rather use the drill, but just gonna go straight right there. So check it, make sure it's tight. It's tight. So make sure it's tight. I have even my flat screwdriver. If you're not so sure, make sure it's tight. I always check it with my flat screwdriver or a Phillips screwdriver, regular or a manual type. If you use the drill, because sometimes the drill, it's not sitting properly. So sometimes you think it's tight, but it's not. So I recheck it all the time with all my connections. So now this 2 black wire, you can connect it on this gold right here. So see right there, I already make a pigtail right there. So all you need to do is hook that one in there. See, you hook that right there, and it's seated properly. So you can use your drill or regular manual screwdriver. So I'm using the, okay, that looks like it's tight. Check it right here. Yeah, it's tight, not going anywhere. So now the other black wire gonna be on the top right here. See, I got already the loop also, so just hook it in there and sit in properly right there. You see, so now you can use your drill to tighten tighten it. See? Oops, it slid up, so here it's in the proper place. So, oops. So, you can tell if it's proper there. So if it's sliding, I always tighten it with the ply screwdriver first if you have an issue, because sometimes you get to pull in the right direction. See, now it's so tight, because sometimes the drill is a little bit hard.